Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Well, we've got Merry Maxim. The June package has arrived from my crochet club. So now this is the only crochet club I'm belonging to because I get usually a good amount of yarn and can make something from it, even if I don't make the pattern itself. Seems like it's worth the value every time. Ooh, this is cool. So here's what we've got. Comes in a little pouch, and it costs $16.99 plus $4.99 for shipping. So for $21.98, I got 3 cakes of gorgeous Merry Maxim Twisted 100% acrylic. Oh good, the print's nice and big. 263 yards, 100% premium acrylic, 7 ounces, 200 grams, made in Turkey. And this is the color Sassy. So I got 3 of these. So that comes out to 789 yards of beautiful sassy yarn. And what are we making? A daybreak poncho. Oh, that's cute. I like it. And it seems like it couldn't possibly use that much yarn, but we'll find out when we make it. That looks like something I could work on my vacation. Cool. Looks like a 2-panel design. Nice. Okay, I like it. And the colors are really pretty. And the yarn is very soft. So I think that is a keeper. So I'm going to leave it in the project bag instead of putting it on the yarn shelf loose, because I actually do want to make that poncho. So put that in here. There's a little pocket in there for it to go in. And zip her back up and put her on the shelf. So cool. Beautiful. All right, we'll add that to the project list. The next thing that we're doing is a live. It'll be this Sunday at 3 p.m. Pacific, and it's with Heather from Strings and Threads again. We'll be talking about her new book. We'll be talking about her new donation program that she's working with. And whatever you guys want to talk about, we'll have a chat going, bring something to work on, and we'll spend some time together. I hope you have a great day. Bye now.